Here, we will explore the various actions users can perform on receipts which they receive in their inbox without having to open each receipt individually. On the top left side of the screen, there is a set of actions such as send, copy, etc., enabling swift and efficient execution of similar tasks on multiple receipts simultaneously. These actions are also available from the receipt inner page, where they can be performed on that specific receipt only, and from where we will understand them in details later. The top right side of the screen consists of actions that can be performed on the entire module in which the user is currently there, which are: Switch View. This button allows users to toggle between row-based and column-based views, enhancing the user interface and improving the overall user experience. Receipt View. This feature offers a comprehensive view of receipts across individual and other accounts. The users can click on the receipt view and select options like Self for individual view and Section or Hierarchy for collective view of receipts to customize their viewing preferences. One of which can be set as default view from Settings in the left navigation panel. Modular Search. This method improves search accuracy by offering targeted results within the selected modules. Click on the search icon and input details such as computer number, receipt number, subject, sender, or sent by to find receipts corresponding to the specific information. The output of the search can be managed by selecting or unselecting the given options in the drop-down. Filter. The various parameters of the filter help users to streamline receipt management by categorizing them into specific criteria to prioritize tasks, maintain organizational efficiency, and improve communication. To apply filters, click on the filter icon and select parameters such as nature, priority, subject category, reference, date, and more. Next action, that is available only in the inbox and not in the receipt inner page, is Move To. If immediate action isn't required, or if the user prefers to organize their receipts by segregating them in separate folders as per their specific needs, appropriate subfolders within the inbox can be created. The receipts can then be moved to these for categorization. The next menu bar consists of all the information related to the respective receipts in the inbox. Computer number and receipt number is the unique number associated with every receipt that has been generated through diarization of DAC. The subject refers to the content that has been entered in the subject field in the category and subject details during the diarization of the relevant DAC. Sender is from whom the DAC has been received, and the name of the sender is the data entered in the name field of contact details during diarization. Sent by tells the user from whom the receipt has been received, that is, who has marked, sent, or forwarded the receipt to the user. By clicking on the sender's name, one can access all their related data including name, designation, marking abbreviation, post, section, department, and email. Sent on provides the date and time on which the receipt was marked to the user. Read on. This information indicates when the receipt was opened or viewed by the recipient, providing insights into the time and date of interaction with the document. Due on. Due on signifies the specific deadline or date by which a particular task or action is expected to be completed or fulfilled on. By specifying the due on date, officials can effectively manage deadlines, prioritize tasks, and maintain accountability, ultimately fostering smoother and more efficient operations. Remarks. It displays the most recent comment written on the receipt. This means, if there is any comment in the remarks of the receipt during the last forwarding movement, then that would be visible, else, whichever is the last comment will be available instead. Now, let's understand few icons associated with each receipt that can be found towards the extreme right corner of the respective receipts. Priority. The mouse over on a small P icon indicates the level of urgency the sender has set on the receipt by selecting the priority option while sending the receipt. This aids in effective time management and task prioritization, as the user can then easily distinguish between the receipts that require immediate attention from those that can be dealt later. Initiate action. This icon will be visible if any action has been initiated on the particular receipt. FOC, or form of communication, indicates which kind of communication the particular receipt is associated with. Mark important. This is the only action exclusively available for individual receipts directly from the inbox without opening them. As per the need of the user, any receipt can be flagged important by simply selecting the star icon. The user can easily locate it later by filtering for important messages. Next, we will see what we can do by opening individual receipts.